Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Janitor AI Proxy Error 429 problem. Error 429 usually means too many requests or you've hit an API rate limit. And here's how to fix it step by step. First, you can check your API usage. Look at your request activity. If you've been setting lots of prompts quickly, space them out and wait a little between requests. Next, you can try to generate a new API key. If waiting doesn't work, create a new OpenAI API key or proxy key. Add this fresh key to your Janitor AI API settings. And another next step is turn off text streaming and Janitor AI's API setting that should be found on the right hand side bottom section. You can disable the text streaming option. Refresh the chat twice after turning it off, and then make a new account. This is completely optional. If the error persists, try using a dummy account for generating API keys instead of your main Google account to avoid risks. And another option is for you to upgrade to a higher plan. If you consistently hit the usage cap, consider a paid plan with higher limits. Then always follow the TOS. Always review the API provider's terms of service so you don't risk getting banned. After these fixes, Janitor AI should stop throwing the 429 proxy error and work smoothly again. That's it. We hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks.